appreciated having time just to work together as a couple, and without the fear of, having to share out to the larger group. That was really made me feel safe and let me access things that I don't know that I would be able to access otherwise. So thank you.
So Cheryl and I have been married for 51 years, and what I took away from this was recognizing a huge attachment I have and working through that to agree to start immediately meeting one of her biggest needs. So that's huge for me.
And you've never been married too long to learn new tricks to improve your marriage. And this is a wonderful venue for that. Thank you.
It's just a really powerful workshop, and I really appreciated the way you guys took lots of different tools from lots of different areas and you wove them together into a useful, palatable, exceptionally powerful workbook for our relationship. I love that.
The tools I gained are invaluable. I feel confident that the conflict we've got a shot now at navigating to some sort of resolution. So thank you.
Wow, I'm really overwhelmed with all the positive feedback that we got. We touched people deeply with just being ourselves, and the program itself incorporated a lot of very powerful experiences, which they also loved. And I'm so glad that the feedback was that the container was safe.
Yeah.
We kept hearing that over and over again.
People expressed that they were nervous because they didn't know what to expect. And we did a closing circle and just a lot of gratitude. Our hearts are cracked wide open.
But I'm so glad that we could do this together and that our marriage is including this as part of our mission. So.
Yeah, me too.